So, don't ask me how I managed to do that. 100 burpees, I have no business doing 100 burpees, but when Richard tells you to do 100 burpees, you do 100 burpees. So as you can see, that was a brutal workout. I'm not gonna say try it in your own time. You need some kahunas to do this workout, but it was good. And also being around other people that are pushing you as well always helps. So you know what to do. As I'm recording it, there are people watching me, so I'm a bit paranoid. You know when you're talking to the camera and there are people watching you, you feel a bit self-conscious. Well, that's me right now. So before I fuck up, I'm just gonna say, see you later, subscribe, and we'll talk again soon.